Hello, folks. Hello. Here we are back again, cooking at Jessie's kitchen. So today, for the first time, I will be making what is called my new list of soups. As you probably know, here we are in Wisconsin, so it's getting colder and colder and colder and colder. So we're gonna start a section that is called Jessica Soups. All of these Jessica soups are gonna be from all over the world. So today happens to be that I will be making what is called a Austria's ham and pancake soup. And I just hope that you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching this channel. It is my new recipe from Austria, and it is called Austria's ham and pancake soup. So I really hope you guys like it. The ingredients are going to be right here on the bottom, and I'm going to show you how is the procedure going to be, okay? So thank you for watching once again, and thank you for the support. I appreciate it so much. And if you notice, the ham that I purchased is going to be thick. And the reason why is because you want to make little dices. And if you notice, I happen to have my diced ham on the side already. I am using 2 cups of flour, all-purpose. 1.5, it's actually 1 quart of chicken broth. And also 1 little container like this. I will be using 3 eggs, some radish. I haven't washed them yet, and half an onion. Also, I will be using a little bit of black pepper. And here we are. We'll be continuing cooking our we made the pancakes already. Now we're gonna start heating up our pot over here. And one of these, you can do one or the other. You can use a little bit of butter, or you can use a little bit of olive oil. As you guys notice, I've been using a lot of olive oil because I think it's healthier, and I personally like it more. But if you guys want to do butter, you can definitely do so as well, okay? We'll be continuing. I just wanted to let you know, folks, also they got something called butter made out of olive. This one is the one that I use, olive oil. It is butter too. You can definitely use it if you wish. I'm gonna just put a little bit here. But this is the one I use, just to give a heads up, okay? Smells so good. Huele tan delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicioso. Delicious, delicious. So this recipe, I will be using 2 cups of ham. I'm gonna make sure to brown that too. Okay, so as you can see, I got my pancakes. They don't have to be in perfect shape or anything like that. You can just chop them up, dice them up just like you ham. And one of these days I'll be making chicken dumpling soup too. This is almost like chicken dumpling. It's just a little different, and plus it's Austrian, so just FYI. Okay, folks, so this is a little brown, and that's what you want to do. See how the color is all melted together? It is smelling very well. Huele muy delicioso, delicioso. Chicken broth. Okay, folks, so our Austrian ham and pancake soup is ready. And it smells so good. As you can see all of the pancakes floating on the soup. And that's what you want to do. I wish you could be here. It smells so good. There you go. Ham and pancake soup. That flavor is absolutely good. It is something so unique. The chicken broth is very light. Ham, it is just absolutely flavorful. And the pancake is just something so unique. And I think it's cultural, but it tastes really good actually. And also the garnishes. the crisp of the radish and cilantro fresh combined with a hot soup is absolutely good. So I hope that you guys like this recipe. We're gonna start making our international soups coming up in January 1st, 2021. We'll be making at least, I'm hoping, one recipe per week or every 2 weeks because it's gonna get cold and colder and colder and colder. So this is just a little taste, 2020 recipe, international soups with Jessica here at Jessica's Kitchen. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Thank you for the support. If you guys like our channel, subscribe, do a like, and share. We'll see you next time, and I hope you guys like this recipe. Thank you.